So tomorrow night we've got a new presentation on silks, and I'm going to really dispel a lot of silk myths. So I thought I'd put up silks today. They're $24.99. They're beautiful silks. They're silk, viscose, crepe, silk, or silk cotton. I'll show each of you. They have great drape. We're afraid of silk for no reason. I'm going to show you some really easy patterns that you can do, and we can create silk blouses. Silk blouses are all the rage. They're just lovely. This first one, the green, the black, just absolutely gorgeous. This is a sheer, I made a hoodie out of this. It's absolutely gorgeous. Easy to sew with. I don't think there's an easier fabric to sew with. Presses, it's beautiful. That's a black, little black shimmer there. This is Manila Grace. That's a designer out of Italy. Beautiful black and white. Gorgeous black and white. Be a gorgeous, if nothing else, be a gorgeous scarf. This is a red. It's got red and kind of a wine, a deep wine to it. Beautiful. Again, it's a viscose, it's a silk viscose crepe. It's got a texture to it. Lovely drape. That crepe, as we know, really makes things hang beautifully. And I'm going to do blouses, but certainly you could do pants. This again, silk viscose crepe. Notice the drape on this. A lot of silks don't have drape, but the viscose added in really helps that drape. And that's the purpose of that viscose. And then we have this black, and it's got a cream through it. It's got a little bit of a gold, and just a beautiful, beautiful piece of fabric with, again, great drapes. So today, $24.99, just gorgeous piece of silk. The gold, you know it. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.